Welcome to a fun little unboxing. So I haven't filmed a video on here in quite a few months. I've been working on a new YouTube channel, which is going to be a legit cooking show. I have production, I have a cameraman, I have professional lights, I have multicam, so it's been a lot of work, but I have about 6 months of PR in this box that was sent to me. And as a small YouTuber, I'm really grateful for everything that brand sent me. I'm so grateful because, you know, I'm a small YouTuber. I don't get a ton of PR, but when I do get it, it's really fun. It's like Christmas, you know, we all want some PR. So just to share, I don't have everything in boxes because this is stuff that was sent to Miami. I'm in Nicaragua, so my sister had to send it to me. So she had to take things out of boxes because otherwise it would have just been like a huge box and it would have been more expensive to send. So she just took everything out of the boxes and put it into Ziploc bags for me. So the first brand that sent me products is Mix Easy. Mix Easy is actually a really fun concept. I've never seen any skincare brand like this, but you go on their website and you choose exactly what you want in your skincare product depending on your skin type, and they also ask you if you want to use fragrance or no fragrance. I always opt for no fragrance because fragrance can always be a little bit irritating to skin if you are sensitive to fragrance. They sent me 4 products and I chose the anti-aging cream, retinol complex, and vitamin C serum, as well as a face mask. Now, all of the ingredients that I chose for these products are all anti-aging. So I basically chose anything that was brightening, anti-aging, firming, plumping. Everything I chose is anti-aging. I'm 31, I'm gonna be 32 next year, so I'm always looking for anti-aging products. So I'm gonna put these into use right away so that I can do a full review, and then we'll see how I like it. It's a nice size for a face mask. And I like that their packaging is really simple. It's not heavy, and it's not like those huge ginormous jars where you only get a tiny bit of product inside. I hate when brands do that, but these are nice little compact minimalist packaging, which I like. Next up, I got makeup from Au Natural. Au Natural is one of my favorite makeup brands. They are vegan and cruelty free. Their packaging is so pretty and minimalistic. It's such a nice brand. All of their products have sat really well with my skin. I like, you know, dewy skin. I don't like matte stuff. So this brand really does well with my skin. Although they do have powder. It's the powder I'm using right now, which is really lovely. So they sent me a cream highlight. This is their OG. They also sent me a rose gold highlight. That looks really nice. They also sent me Purple Rain, which I think is a matte lipstick. So that looks really nice as well. And they also sent me eyeliners. I'm currently obsessed with colorful eyeliner. I haven't been able to get my hands on a lot because here in Nicaragua, I don't want to go out. Like, COVID is not a good situation here. So this is a nice blue color. They sent me this olive green as well, and of course black. I don't have like a really good black eyeliner, so I was really looking forward to this one. They're all gel, so they're nice and creamy. And they always send me samples, so thank you guys so much for sending me samples. They sent me a liquid lipstick sample and they sent me a lip gloss sample. Maybe I'll try the lip gloss because I don't have any on right now, actually. I think it's like a satin lip gloss. But it feels really nice on the lips. Pharmacy Beauty sent me their Honeymoon Glow. This is by far, I think, one of their best products. It's one of their best selling products. And this is a resurfacing AHA night serum. I had never used a product that had changed my skin, that I could like physically see a change in my forehead. Like, I don't have acne or anything, but I get like these little bumps up here. So when I started using this, my sister and I started using it at exactly the same time because I received it in the mail and I was like, let's just try this out. I share everything with my mom and my sister, so I like for them to try out products as well so they can tell me what they think. 2 weeks exactly to the day that we started using, because I took before pictures, my sister's like, hey, my skin looks really nice. And then I was like, oh my God, mine too. And then I was just like, wait, why does it look so nice? And then I remembered we started using the Honeymoon Glow, both of us at the same time. Nothing else had changed in our routine except that we added this, and it's truly such a nice serum because it does resurface your skin. It helps with skin texture, skin tone, so it evens out any discoloration you may have. It's definitely the type of thing that you start gradually. You don't want to pile it onto your skin. Vegamore sent me their Advanced Growth Serum, and this is for thicker, fuller brows. And this one is Thicker, Fuller, Faster Lash Serum. So Vegamore reached out to me and they wanted to send this to me, and I was like, oh my god, yes, thank you. How do you even know of me? So I'm gonna try these and I'm going to test them, and we're gonna see if my lashes and my eyebrows grow. I have the thinnest and smallest lashes and eyebrows. Like my hair, I don't know, sometimes I get patchiness in my eyebrows randomly. I don't do anything to my brows, I don't tweeze them. I don't wax them. If I tweeze them, it's just to take out like tiny little hairs. Like I don't grow much hair there. And my lashes have, for some reason, gotten smaller and thinner in the last 6 months. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out. Next, I have Jazoo. They reached out to me. Like, this is a huge brand. And when they reached out to me in the email, I was like, is this for real? Like, and I said, yeah, of course. So they sent me a bunch of products, including their newest edition, which I think is a honey oil for your hair. They sent me their hair wash. It's a honey infused hair wash, and I love the packaging. It's so sleek. They also sent me their conditioner, which is also honey infused. They also sent me the propolis infused heat protecting spray. They also sent me their propolis texturizing wave spray. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. It says honey infused hair mask. Oh my gosh, this is so luxurious. Look at the paper. I mean, oh my goodness, look at that box. And it is formulated without parabens, silicones, and sulfates. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, look how gorgeous that is. I feel so lucky. Thank you so much for sending me all these products. My goodness. I mean, the box is beautiful, all the packaging is beautiful, it's so nice. And I think this is their newest product that they've added to their collection. This is, let me not break a nail while trying to open this. Look at that, it's like a book. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this? So you pull the little tab, it opens and it reveals a book. My goodness, this is so pretty. So here's a little book talking about all of the products. Oh no, this is only about the honey infused hair oil. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Like, amazing. How gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness, what a beautiful bottle. It's glass. Oh my god. It says apply evenly through damp or dry hair. Oh my gosh, this is so luxurious. So I'm not putting it on my hair, I'm putting it on my skin just to see how it feels. It feels really nice, and oh my god, it's such a nice texture. It's so light, it's not heavy at all, and it's not sticky. So thank you so much, Jazoo. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for including me. I am so grateful. Moving on, we have Base Blue. This is a cosmetics company. Oh my god, so much stuff. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am so spoiled. Oh, so my sister put all of the pamphlets and things about the products in here. Look, so I got a really cute note from Vegamore. Esther, we hope you love our products as much as we do. Enjoy, Team Vegamore. Thank you so much, Vegamore. They also sent me a sticker. I love putting all my stickers on my laptop, so that's going with it. Grow with love. Vegamore, California. How cute. So I got a little cute note from Au Natural thanking me. Thank you guys. You guys are so nice. So back to Base Blue. They sent me a 15% off coupon. Use code Ester. And I'm going to show you guys some of the products. And they said thank you. And look at this packaging. Oh my god, this packaging is insanely beautiful as well. It's got a beautiful satin ribbon and it says Base Blue on it. How pretty. Wow. Oh my god, that's so different. I've never seen a makeup brush like this. And look at the box for the brush. Oh my god, that's like, this is like the type of box I would keep. So the brush comes with the bigger brush, which you twist in. So it's like a 2-in-1 brush. That is so clever. It looks like an angle brush, but like a fluffy angle brush. So you can use that to blend in eyeshadow. And then the big fluffy brush, you can use this for face powder, bronzer. You can use it for even blush. They also sent me lashes. Oh my god, I was literally about to go buy some lashes. These are gorgeous. Oh my god, they are so soft. And the band is really thin. Oh my god, it's so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Look at how pretty that is. A makeup sponge, and it comes in this. It's got a very pointy end, so that's good to get into the inner corners. Feels dense, but soft. Very good quality. They also sent a cupcake soap. Oh my gosh. This looks really nice. Oh my god, how cute is that? It comes in a little wrapper and there's chocolate. Oh my god, like it looks like you can actually eat it. Oh my god, it smells so good. And then there's a mirror in there. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Pharmacy Beauty sent me another product. This is their new Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. Because I love their serum so much, I know that this ceramide moisturizer is also going to be really nice. Look at that. Comes with a little metal spatula. I've never seen that. Barely smells like anything. Has a very subtle smell, which means it's nice because it doesn't have a lot of fragrance. The lid attracts the spatula, so it's a good thing. You might not lose it so quickly. This is an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin. Ceramides and honey help protect the skin's moisture barrier. Thank you so much, Pharmacy Beauty. You guys are so awesome. Next, I have Clarisma Beauty. Oh my gosh, Clarisma. This is a California-based brand, and this was started by a mother and a daughter. They sent me a really pretty note. They also sent a little headband, so this is really cute because I'm always looking for ways to get my hair out of my face when I go to start my skincare, wash my face and all that. First off is the Daily Cleanser, and it unclogs pores, cool ocean breeze. It has desert lime, pineapple, and papaya, which is nice because that's enzymes, and enzymes are good to help exfoliate your face. They also sent me their gentle exfoliating scrub, banishes blemishes, loofah fruit, neem, and pineapple. And it looks really fine because I'm not a big fan of like abrasive scrubs, but this is like really fine. You can barely tell it has anything in there. Next is the night mask. Smooths imperfections, angel sleeping balm, capuaca, acai, and peony, and it smooths imperfections and hydrates, so that's really nice. I love overnight hydrating masks. I think they are so amazing for people who suffer from really dry skin, or if you have sensitive, irritated skin. You can definitely, as long as you find something that works with your skin. I really love applying a overnight mask over the top of my skincare so that it really hydrates. Oh, how nice. Energizing face mask. How nice. It comes with a little brush. Perfect. I've been wanting to get one of these brushes to apply my masks so that I don't have to dig my fingers or my nails into it. And on the label it says cruelty-free vegan. I love that. I love when brands are very clear about, you know, their products, you know, because there's a lot of brands that say they are cruelty-free, but they aren't really, so that's not cool. Last but not least, they sent me their daily moisturizer, boosts softness with willow herb, bamboo, and papaya, so it's nice. It has the enzymes in there, and the box tells you exactly what each ingredient does to your skin. So for example, papaya and pineapple gently and mildly exfoliates dead skin to reveal super smooth skin. Neem oil, a cream delivered from the Indian neem tree that helps unclog and clean pores. So my camera wants to murder me, so I need to hurry. So this is the Quad Active Boosting Essence from Trend. It has propolis extract, fermented honey, and black tea. So it's the essence that you drop into your hand, you rub around, and then you pat into your skin. I love essences are another game changer. First time I ever tried them, it was by Trend. They are Korean, and Koreans know what they're doing with skincare, so I love the fact that they came out with a new essence, because it's just a different variation, and I'm sure this is going to be something that helps to brighten the skin as well. Most essences are concentrated versions of those ingredients, so that's why they're a little bit more expensive, but they're definitely worth including in your skincare routine if you are someone who has really sensitive skin or really irritable skin. Okay, so my first tip is obviously create good content. That is most important. Brands want to see what your content looks like, and they want to see your personality. For example, my Instagram feed is full of skincare videos and like how-tos. I love that because when a brand goes to my Instagram, they know right away that I'm a huge skincare lover, that I love makeup, and that I'm obviously cruelty-free and vegan. So when I get contacted by a brand, it's always a brand that's cruelty-free, which is really nice. Second tip, when you want to reach out to a brand, do your research, find out what the brand is like. Make sure you are contacting a brand that you like, something that goes with your own brand, with your own ethos. That's really important. So for example, I only contact brands that are cruelty-free. Sometimes they're vegan, sometimes they aren't. When you reach out to them, say, I would love to try this specific product. Don't just say, I want to get on your PR list. Say you want to try a specific product, because most companies don't want to add you to their PR list until they see what your content is, how you're gonna talk about their product and all that. So it's important for you to try out one product, and I think that usually works rather than just asking to be on their PR list. Tip number 3, write out a concise, well thought out email. When you're emailing or when you're DMing, I usually copy and paste whatever I'm emailing to that specific brand, and I DM it to them as well, because I want to make sure they see it. I always do my research as far as who to contact. So for example, I go to their website and I look for their PR email, or sometimes they would rather be contacted through Instagram, so I send them a DM, and everything I say is very short, it's concise, it's well thought out. I say exactly why I want to work with them. I tell them what I want to try out, and if they would be kind enough to send me something, here is my address. I don't talk too much, and I also send them examples of my work so that they can see the quality of my content, as well as any pictures, any paid promotions or paid sponsorships that I've done in the past, so that they can have an idea of what my work is like. And it usually works. Sometimes they'll say no, sometimes they'll say, for example, Tatcha has been a brand that I literally email every 6 months. I love Tatcha so much. I use 2 of their products religiously, and whenever I talk about my product on Instagram, somebody always asks me information. So it's a brand that I have exposed my following to, and my following loves it now. I mean, I have so many girls who send me DMs and they're like, oh my god, I just bought the face mask, it's been really helping my skin. So every time that I get a DM from somebody, I always forward it to the brand so that they can see that I am getting their product seen by my followers. And I think that's important, because it's just important for them to see that your content is being seen by people, and that their brand is getting out there. Okay, that is it. If you guys want more tips on how to get more PR as a small influencer YouTuber, definitely let me know. You can ask me questions down there, or you can follow me on Instagram so that you can get in contact with me directly. Also follow my TikTok, where I share a lot of skincare tips, story times, and food. And definitely please subscribe to my cooking YouTube channel. This is really important for me. I put so much money into this. It's an amazing project, and I would love it if you guys could join me there and see all of the fun recipes that I have created, and oh my god, and my videos look so beautiful, so I'm really proud of them. So go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very soon. Bye!